For close round 63, we make a slip stitch, top of very first front post double crochet, round 63, finish. Round 64, chain 1 for a start, a front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet, a front post double crochet around next 2 chain, 2 front post double crochet around the next here, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around the next, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1, the other one should be top of this one, 2 chain, a front post double crochet around the next, a front post double crochet around the next. Now here 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Skip this popcorn, and around the first front post double crochet we make 3 front post double crochet popcorn, 1, 2, 3, and the popcorn. Now here we want to make a cluster like this, a front post double crochet around this front post, a single crochet here and a front post double crochet here to make a cluster. So a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet, a single crochet here, now a front post double crochet around next, 4 loops on the hook and a cluster, 3 front post double crochet popcorn around the next, 1, 2 and 3, the popcorn like this, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, skip this popcorn, around the first front post double crochet we make a front post double crochet, around next we make a front post double crochet, 2 chain, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around the next, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2, 2 chain, a front post double crochet around the next, another front post double crochet around the next, 3 chain, and we continue this pattern, 3 front post double crochet around the next to make a popcorn, 1, 2 and 3 and the popcorn. Now here we want to make a cluster, a front post double crochet around the first, now a single crochet here into the space, another front post double crochet around the next, now 4 loops on the hook and a cluster. Continue this pattern all around this work, and I come back here